Hello my channel! Today I have a recipe for a delicious pasta casserole with sausage and vegetables. As always, I invite new viewers to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell and you'll be up to date with my recipes. I'll show you the list of necessary ingredients. You can find the same list in the video description. There I also add a link to my blog where you'll find all my recipes. This recipe was created in cooperation with the Home Premium online store. Before we start preparing the dish, I'll show you the pots I received. Maybe they'll inspire you. I prepared the whole recipe in these pots and pans. These are Italian pots from Moneta. Here I have the Melodia collection. In the set, we have one detachable handle that fits every element, whether it's a saucepan or a pan. I have two smaller and larger pans here, and two saucepans of different sizes. Two glass lids. As for storage, everything can be nested within each other, thus taking up little cabinet space. The bodies are made of aluminum recycled from food cans. The interior is covered with a scratch-resistant non-stick coating, free of heavy nickel metals. Concerning these pots and pans, they have a special steel mesh system suitable for all cooktops, including induction and ovens. If you're using these pots or pans in the oven, you must use them without the detachable handle, of course. The handle itself features a twin-block mounting system ensuring usage safety. Regardless of whether we put a lot of food in the pan or pot, this attachment is stable enough that we don't have to worry about it detaching while cooking. The outside of the dishes is covered with a high-temperature resistant varnish. All pots and of course pans are dishwasher safe. I tested them out by cooking, frying, baking, and these pots are super. Nothing sticks to them. So I personally tested them and can recommend. Of course, under the video I'll leave a link to the shop for all interested. There you'll find more information. There you can also make a purchase. In addition, if for example someone doesn't need the whole set, you can buy individually just the pot, just the pan, just the handle, whoever needs what. So welcome, and now we're going back to preparing the recipe. To start, we prepare the pans. We're going to fry the sausage on the pan in oil. I prepared 300 g of sausage. We can cut it into slices or half slices and fry until the sausage starts to brown. Three minutes and take it off the heat. And here we have the first pot ready. In a small pan, we melt 20 grams of butter and then fry 300 grams of mushrooms chopped into cubes until all the water has evaporated from the mushrooms. In the end, I just season it with salt and pepper and also remove it from the heat. I cook the pasta in salted water until it's al dente. In my case it's penne, but it really can be whatever you like or whatever you have at home. Now we will prepare the sauce. We need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of cream, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Put it in the preheated oven to 180 degrees. Bake for about 20 minutes or until the cheese is nicely browned and it's ready. As you can see, the recipe is very simple. The casserole is delicious, so you should definitely prepare it. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Remember, I have added the link to the pots under the video. I invite you to watch my next videos. Thank you. Goodbye.